Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that how a firm is earning abnormal profit or supernormal profit under monopoly. A firm is earning abnormal profit or supernormal profit under monopoly when its average revenue is greater than average cost. So it means that firm is earning abnormal profit under monopoly. So as I mentioned in our earlier lectures that either we are interested in normal profit, losses or abnormal profit, first of all we have to draw the output level, then we will draw either of the cases, either it is normal profit, abnormal profit or losses. So first of all we are going to draw the output level under monopoly, then we will discuss that firm is earning normal profit, abnormal profit or losses. So now we will draw the output level. We are taking quantity on x-axis, revenue and cost on y-axis. So this will be the graph of average revenue and it will be the graph for marginal revenue. Now we have to draw marginal cost curve in order to find out the optimum level of output. So at this point MC and M are equal, so it will give us level of output, and if we join this line with price line, so it will give us the price for this level of output. So as we write here the condition for abnormal profit, so firm is earning abnormal profit when its average revenue is greater than average cost. So now we have to draw average cost curve in such a way that it should be below than this point. So this will be the graph for average cost curve, and from this point to this point it will give us cost. We are deciding cost from average cost line. So the area between P to C, let me shade it for you, the shaded area, this one. This whole area is showing the abnormal profit under imperfect competition or monopoly. So firm is earning abnormal profit when its average revenue is greater than average cost. So as you can see in this point is average revenue point and this point is average cost. So average revenue is greater than average cost. So when average revenue is greater than average cost, so it means that firm is earning abnormal profit. Either the case of perfect competition or either the case of imperfect competition, both cases the firm is earning abnormal profit when its average revenue is greater than average cost.